There's an EV for everybody, and Ultium is proud to be part of the EV future and working with General Motors, and today is a very special day. My name is Tom Gallagher. I'm the Vice President of Operations for Ultium Cells, and I have the proud appreciation and honor to be before you to represent the Ultium team and the work that we're doing here. It's an outstanding project that started just 5 years ago. Ultium Cells, to the day, 5 years ago, our two collaboration partners, LG Energy Solution and General Motors, signed an agreement to bring Ultium to its creation. So it's an exciting day, very historic, 5 years today to that history. Since that time, Ultium Cells has grown to more than 2,200 employees. We're now the largest employer in Northeast Ohio, and very, very proud of the work we do here. And today's milestone is celebrating not only the accomplishment of building a plant and installing and launching a facility with great capacity and capability, and a workforce that's tremendous, but what we're announcing here is 100 million cells produced, which is really an outstanding accomplishment. So again, today is a celebration, and you've made this all possible. Today's an incredible day. We're so proud of the workforce, the milestones we've achieved, and there's been many along the way, but reaching 100 million cells is significant and makes us one of the largest battery manufacturers in North America. So we're excited about that.
The UAW has always had very, very well-trained members that work in the auto industry. And this was another opportunity that we could bring in well-trained people to produce a component for an electric vehicle. And so when they made the 100 millionth cell, that speaks volumes on what these workers here have done.
I flew over Pacific Ocean from Korea to celebrate this biggest day for Ultium Cells. This innovative technology will reshape the EV landscape. Together, we are ready to lead the electrification drive in the U.S. I encourage all of you to keep up the great work. You have my full support.
We celebrate today. 100 million cells don't come easily. So I want to congratulate the team for this incredible milestone. I'm very, very proud of all of you.
With Ultium, we're going to continue to look ahead to the latest technology and grow. And it was referenced today about the joint development agreement between GM and LG Energy Solution. So we believe this type of work, working on future technology, will position Ultium so it can move forward in potentially manufacturing that new technology. But in the near term, we have to continue to grow. We have more EV products entering the marketplace, and Ultium will be there to support GM in its growth. We're going to plan around the chemistry and the form factor to ensure its ongoing flexibility and sustainability. It's important to continue to evolve the business to be innovative. There's certainly a vision in Ohio to be part of the next generation of technology, and we're excited about the vision of the Lieutenant Governor, the task force and work they're doing in that space, and we support the EV growth. And so we're excited about that. Mahoning Valley also attempting to kind of project itself as Voltage Valley has a vision, and we're proud to be a significant part of that. And so building an infrastructure, building a supply chain, building a network are really what the next phase will relate to, and will determine the most successful states in that future. So we think Ohio is uniquely positioned to continue to grow. We're excited to be here. Ohio is Ultium Cells headquarters. This is where we do our work out of, our planning, and so we're excited to be in Ohio. The EV market is still growing, so the rate of adoption, the rate of growth, it has slowed. But again, we're still seeing more customers year over year. GM and our customer is excited to now be the #2 EV manufacturer in the United States, so just behind Tesla. And so that's a significant milestone, and so they're seeing incredible growth. I think we're aligned with a good partner, General Motors, and we're seeing great growth. But it's certainly slower than maybe it was viewed a couple of years ago.
There's a lot of uncertainty in the auto industry surrounding the transition from internal combustion into the EVs. So now with the new administration coming in, there is a great pause. Everybody has it. But it's also the philosophy that I talked about earlier. We live on one blue rock. We all can agree on that. We don't have anywhere else to go, so do we treat our planet as a disposable commodity, or do we take care of it and nurture it? So I'm all in favor of taking care of it and nurturing it. We just have to figure that out. And we can't just keep sitting there wondering what we did wrong. When we realize that something is wrong, too late. Everybody can have their own opinions on how the EV market is going to evolve, whether it's EVs or hydrogen or this new ammonia. So it's also, it really comes down to the consumer. So General Motors is putting out a product that people really like. As kids growing up, it was General Motors, then there was everybody else. So that General Motors is carrying that on. Now, we just want to make sure as the UAW that we are involved in manufacturing quality products. That's where we're at.
Ultium Cells is proud to be the first unionized battery plant in the United States. And so that's a significant responsibility and milestone that our workforce can take pride in. And we certainly, we respect the rights of the workforce to organize and position themselves, and we think we can have a collaborative partnership to advance our progress in safety, productivity, and quality. So working with the union is about partnerships. There's a long history of union work in the Mahoning Valley, but the work we do is different. The union relationships evolve and technology evolves, and I think our workforce is evolving with that, and it's a testament. So to grow from just 3 years ago, we're in a construction phase, to now having 2,200 employees, it's a really significant statement. And so we've been able to grow that, and we're proud of the work we're doing here. These are the people that made this possible. Thank you for your hard work every day.